Hey everyone, welcome back to the Green Beauty Chemist channel, your friendly neighborhood guide to all things DIY beauty. Today, we've got a juicy topic that I know a lot of you have been wrestling with: why your DIY shampoo isn't giving you the luscious locks you were hoping for. And of course, how we can turn that around. So, you decided to take the plunge into the world of DIY shampoos. You were all set for a life-changing hair care revolution. You followed a recipe you found online, maybe tweaked it a bit to suit what you had in your pantry, and waited for the magic to happen. But instead of stepping out of the shower with hair that's soft, shiny, and full of life, you ended up with something a little less fabulous. Maybe it left your hair feeling like a tangled mess, or it just didn't clean as well as you hoped. Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. It's all part of the journey. Making your own shampoo is a fantastic way to control what goes on your scalp and hair, cutting out unnecessary chemicals and fragrances that might not agree with you. The trick is understanding a bit more about what each component does and adjusting your recipe to better suit your hair's needs. First things first, let's talk surfactants. These are the cleansing agents in your shampoo. The ones you usually find in DIY recipes might not be as strong as commercial shampoos, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it might be why you feel like your hair isn't getting as clean. Then there's the pH balance to consider. Hair loves slightly acidic conditions, which help keep the cuticles smooth and shiny. Some DIY shampoos might not hit the right pH, leaving your hair feeling rough or looking dull. And of course, water hardness can affect how your shampoo works. Hard water can make it hard for soap and shampoo to lather, meaning you might not be getting all those lovely cleansing agents working as they should. But here's the good news. With a little tweaking, you can fix these issues and create a DIY shampoo that really works for you. Let's walk through a simple, balanced DIY shampoo recipe that aims to tackle these common problems. Here's a recipe that totals 100 grams, making it easy to scale up or down. Distilled water, 83.9 grams. Your base, using distilled water, helps avoid the issues hard water can bring. Diesel glucoside, 10 grams. A mild surfactant, great for cleansing without stripping your hair. Glycerin, 5 grams. A humectant to help draw moisture into your hair. Sodium gluconate, 0.1 grams. Helps protect the shampoo's color and scent. Euxyl PE 9 out of 10, 1 grams. A gentle preservative to keep your shampoo safe to use. The process. 1. Start by mixing the sodium gluconate with a small part of your water. This dissolves it evenly and ensures it integrates well with the rest of your mix. 2. In a separate container, gently warm your distilled water. Not all of it, just enough to dissolve your glycerin and surfactant. Once warm, dissolve your glycerin in the water. Glycerin helps draw moisture to your hair, keeping it hydrated. 3. Now add your surfactant, diesel glucoside. This is what cleanses your hair, so make sure it's well integrated into your mix. Number 4. Once everything is well mixed and at room temperature, add the Euxyl PE 9010. This preservative is crucial for keeping your shampoo safe from bacteria and mold. 5. Finally, add the rest of your distilled water and stir gently to combine everything. And there you have it, a simple, balanced DIY shampoo that's gentle on your hair, but still gets the cleansing job done. Remember, DIY beauty is all about experimenting and finding what works best for you. Don't be afraid to tweak the recipe to better suit your hair type or preferences. If you're wondering where to get these ingredients, especially the surfactants and preservatives, which can be a bit tricky to find, check out pureblendnaturals.com. They've got a wide range of cosmetic ingredients, and they ship quickly within Canada and the USA, usually within 24 hours. Making your own beauty products, like shampoo, is a journey. Sometimes it takes a little trial and error to get things just right. But when you do, it's so rewarding. Not only do you end up with a product that's perfectly suited to you, but you also gain the satisfaction of knowing you made it yourself. So, don't give up if your first attempt didn't turn out perfect. Use what you've learned today, tweak your recipe, and try again. And keep in mind, we're here to help you on this journey. If you've got questions or need some advice, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and helping out however we can. And remember, every great DIY adventure starts with a bit of patience and a lot of enthusiasm. Your perfect DIY shampoo is within reach, and with each batch, you're not just cleansing your hair, You're also gaining invaluable knowledge about what truly works for you. If you're diving into the world of DIY beauty, consider subscribing to our channel, Green Beauty Chemist. We're constantly sharing new recipes, tips, and tricks to help you create effective, natural beauty products right at home. From decoding ingredients to mastering formulations, we cover it all, making DIY beauty not just accessible, but also a lot of fun. Don't forget to visit pureblendnaturals.com for all your cosmetic ingredients needs. They're a trusted supplier with a wide range of high-quality ingredients that are perfect for your next DIY project. Plus, their fast shipping means you won't have to wait long to get started. Creating your own shampoo is just the beginning. Once you start customizing and seeing the results, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. There's something incredibly satisfying about using a beauty product that you made yourself, especially when it works just as well, if not better, than store-bought options. Before we wrap up, let's revisit the importance of preserving your DIY shampoo properly with Uxeel PE 9010. This ensures your creation stays fresh and effective, preventing any unwanted bacteria or mold. Remember, safety and efficacy go hand in hand when it comes to DIY beauty. So, what are you waiting for? Grab those ingredients and let's get mixing. Be sure to check the description box for links to all the ingredients used in today's project. And as always, happy crafting. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe to Green Beauty Chemist for more enlightening content that will inspire your next DIY beauty project. Until next time, keep experimenting, stay curious, and embrace the journey to healthier, happier hair. Here's to your next successful DIY shampoo. See you in the next video.